Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Cloudways VPS using SSH credentials step by step clearly. To connect to your Cloudways VPS using SSH credentials, first, ensure you have your SSH credentials handy. Log into your Cloudways account and navigate to the Servers tab. Select the server you want to connect to. Locate the SSH credentials section. You will see your SSH username, password, and the server's IP address. Copy the IP address of your server. Open your terminal or command prompt on your local machine. If you are using Windows, you may want to use an SSH client like PuTTY. For Mac or Linux users, you can use the built-in terminal. In the terminal, type the following command: SSH username at IP address. Replace username with your actual SSH username. Replace IP address with the IP address you copied earlier. Press the Enter key. If this is your first time connecting, you may see a message about the authenticity of the host. Type Yes to continue connecting. Next, you will be prompted for your password. Enter your SSH password and press Enter. If everything is correct, you will be logged into your Cloudways VPS. You can now begin executing commands on your server. To verify your connection, you can type Huami and press Enter to see your username. You have successfully connected to your Cloudways VPS using SSH credentials. Remember to log out when you're finished by typing Exit and pressing Enter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.